During this module, we'll cover the very basics. So things like setting up your account and exactly where to find everything and how to navigate yourself within Rental Manager. We'll also cover some aspects that will actually touch the customer. So things like setting your store avatar, your store banner, and also setting your store hours so that individuals can learn a little bit more about your shop and you as an owner operator before they make their rental decision. All right, so jumping right in, the first thing that we want to point out is your dashboard. So, this is a very good illustrative way to see not only the order flow as you take action and as your customer takes action with the products that are rented through the entire rental process, but we also use this area to highlight your account balance. You can also make some changes to your account from here. We'll flag some things that might need your attention. As an example, this account does not have a bank set up, so it's just flagging us to make sure that we do that. We'll also highlight some key metrics, percent of your orders that are pickups versus those that are shipped or delivered, top performing products, some latest activity, and then we also have this notifications area as well. So very similar to iOS products or the phone notifications will alert you when things change. Now, the next part of this module, we'll talk about the basics of your business settings and updating things like your personal avatar and how that differs from your business avatar and what the customer actually sees when they shop your products. All right. So once we click into the settings area, we'll see a few things that immediately grab our attention. This first is the store avatar within the business settings tab. These are things that are related to the shop, the business, the organization. And this entire page is dedicated to a profile that customers will see that is specifically of representation of your store. So things like your store banner, we'll click through and show exactly where that shows up. The store's name will give you a default name if you don't select one, but you actually have the ability to customize the store name here. Also, a company name so that individuals can know a little bit more about you. And then this about section. So these are all things that are related to the business itself. So if we click in and then we just click this button that says browse by store, we get to see exactly how this shows up. So if we click in the boxed up, there's a banner here. There's also an avatar associated with the company. There's a secondary photo. There's a location of what's available. And then there's some services and some products associated with this storefront. So think of this page of about things that are used to display in your personalized store or somewhere else into your account. Now, if we click over into account settings, these are things that are very specific to you, the individual. Now, we don't have this feature yet, but in a few weeks, you'll be able to share an account with multiple members of an organization. So, business settings, account settings, this is very specific to you. So, this is your username, your email, your avatar. These are things that you control your access, your password, and this is all associated to your specific account. And also, if you are to rent products as well, you're renting as an individual, not as a business. So that's an important thing to know. Next up, we'll cover setting up your bank account and shipping and delivery. Picking up where we left off, we'll ultimately break this into a separate module, but just to give you an idea of how things link within accounts, the shipping and delivery page is used to set up a shipping location or an active pickup location. Once you set that up, link your bank account, and then add a product, you'll be able to then make your products available for rent. I'd say on or about 5 minutes to set up top to bottom for all of those, no more than 30 in order to get your products set up and live. So, in the next modules we'll jump into, we'll show you exactly how to do just that across the board.